If you've struggled with plants, I've got one for you. This is Mexican Primrose. This is an absolute weed locally. It loves growing in full sun, crummy soil, javelina, deer. They do not bother Mexican Primrose. This is as tall as it gets, about that tall, but then it spreads out. You can just see it starting to spread sideways. And that's what it does. It just creeps across. It holds erosion control, keeps plants at full sun, just kind of keeps the soil intact. Mexican Primrose is an amazing perennial flower and available, well, of course, right here at Waters Garden Center. Click on the link below for more information. Of course, the plants are available here at Waters Garden Center, but the idea of every day at 11:30, Monday through Friday, lunchtime special is to give you something inspiring, something natural to look at, something that'll help you be a better gardener or just fun to relax with, and available at Waters Garden Center.